Good morning, year one. Today in maths, we're going to be learning a new word, and we're going to be looking at this word up here, which is double. And we're going to be looking to see if today, if we can double. So can I double? I wonder if anyone knows, what do we mean by a double? Have a quick think. You might have heard that word before, or double, or doubling, or double of. I wonder if you've heard that word. Maybe you know what a double is already. But if you don't, a double means two lots of something. So here, we have one triangle. Okay, if we're going to double that, we have now doubled our one triangle. We now have two triangles. So double one gives us two. Or we can write it down like this as a number sentence. 1 plus 1 equals 2. We had 1, we doubled it, we now have 2. I'm going to show you again with another one. We have 5 cars. If we double the amount of cars, we would have how many cars? So we now know that double means that we need to have two lots of something. So we need to have two lots of 5 cars. Let's get this. Oh look, as if by magic, another set of 5 cars. How many cars have we got all together? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we double the amount of cars, we would have 10 cars altogether. So what we have done, what number sentence we have done here, we have done 5. This is first group of cars up top. Then we have doubled. We've done another set. The same number, 5, equals 10. So double 5 is 5 plus 5 equals 10. Quick trick for you whenever you're thinking about doubling is that when we double a number, you just add it to itself. So an example would be double 2 is the same as saying 2 plus 2. And do we know what 2 plus 2 is now? Let's have a look. So we're going to do it with dots. So there's 2 dots. And we're going to add another 2 dots, 2 and 2. How many dots have we got all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. So double 2 is 4. We've got a double machine here that's going to help us. We have one apple that's going into the doubling machine. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the button. There's one apple there going into the double machine, and we're going to see what's going to happen. So I'm going to press the button. What's going to happen? Out comes another apple. So 1 double gives us another 1, gives us a total of 2 apples. So double 1 is 2. We'll go again. We've got 3 bananas going into the doubling machine this time. What do you think is going to come out on the other side? See if you can have a go before I click the button. Click, double button. Oh look, we have another 3 bananas. So we have 3 bananas on this side, 3 bananas on this side, because we've doubled 3. So double 3 gives us how many bananas in total? 3 plus 3 equals 6 bananas. Fantastic. For our activity today, year one, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to grab a dice. Okay, and we're going to be looking at doubling. What you need to do first is you need to roll your dice. I want you then to write down in your books what number you've rolled. So I've rolled the number 5. Then what I want you to do is, once you've rolled the number, I want you to have a go at doubling it. So remember what we do when we double, we just add the number to itself. So I've rolled 5, and I need to add another 5 to double. The answer then will be 5 plus 5. We should be amazing at this now. We can count to 5s, can't we? So we go 5, 10. Excellent. So 5 add 5 equals 10. So double 5 gives us 10. I'm going to have another go now. 1. I rolled a 1. So I'm going to write the 1 down here. And what I need to do is I need to add it to itself. So we're doubling 1. I need to add another 1. Just like in a doubling machine, the apple, 1 plus 1 gives us the number 2. Excellent. I need to have a few goes at that, see how you get on. And if you find that a bit too easy, why don't you introduce another dice? And let's see what we can do with this. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And I want to find out what double 8 is. So I need to add 8 to itself to work that out. So I'm going to 8 plus 8 equals, you might know this, but if not, you can use your fingers to help you. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I need to add on another 8. Okay, so 8, or 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 8 plus 8 gives me 16. So double 8 is the same as 8 plus 8 gives me 16. See how you get on with that. Have fun, play a bit of a game, and bye for now.